This is a KDP book description that is very well written and it is properly formatted, but can potentially bring you zero sales and make your book die very quickly. There are a lot of problems with this description and you may not apparently see these problems. In this video, I am going to discuss the problem with this description, and also I will show you an example of excellent book description that can potentially lead you to hundreds of copies sold per month, if not thousands. So keep watching this video till the very end. Your book description is as important as your title, subtitle, and the back-end keywords. Even I must say that your book description is more important than your KDP backend keywords. So let's get started. So what is the format for this video? The format for this video includes potential disadvantages of using a basic book description. I am not calling this bad book description. This is a basic one. This is properly formatted and it looks good, but it is not optimized for sales. So the next point is potential benefits of using a well-written book description, and then I will show you the example of basic book description and I will discuss the problems that book description has. This one I will discuss the problems. Next, I will show you an example of excellent book description I have taken from a book that is selling, I think, hundreds of copies per day. What is making that book so successful, we will be discussing in detail ahead. So don't skip any step, because your book description is going to make you hundreds of copies sold per month. So let's get started. First, I will discuss some benefits of excellent book description. Then the opposite is also true for basic book description. That will be the cons or disadvantages of using a basic book description. So basic book description can potentially bring you zero or very few sales, can affect your conversion rate. If a customer is clicking on your cover, reading the title and subtitle, and read your book description and decide not to purchase, it will affect your conversion rate. That is very important to rank your book in the Amazon search results. Can increase your ad spend. If you are running ads for that book that has very basic book description, it will lead to high ad cost, because customer is clicking, you are paying for clicks, is not deciding to purchase. Then can eventually cause your book to be pushed down in the rankings. Why this happens? Because its conversion rate is low and Amazon thinks that it's not good to show it on the page 1 or 2 or 3. So it pushes it down towards page like 7, 10, or even on the lower side of page 75. So the opposite true for excellent book description. Can potentially sell you thousands of copies, can improve your conversion rate, can increase your ROI. If you are spending money on ads, it can bring you a good ROI, return over investment, can boost your organic ranking. Your book is selling and it is converting more, its conversion rate is high, Amazon ranks it higher in the search results. So let's get started with the first example. This is our example of basic book description. You can see here, get your kid ready for a lot of coloring fun. The headline is good one, but the problem comes here. This book comes with images of things that go. Each coloring page is printed on alternate page to avoid color bleed. It has large kid-friendly pages to make it easy for kids to color in. The coloring pages includes boards, cars, diggers, planes, trains, trucks, and more. And then is the book features. 100 large size coloring pages printed on high quality paper, single-sided pages, premium glossy finish cover, printed in USA. Grab a copy of this large coloring book for your kid. So what is the bigger problem with this book description? It is littered with the book features and it doesn't tell a single benefit or outcome of. It is not talking about the outcomes. Here I have written this line that may interest a buyer, but I saw people writing something like large size coloring book for kids. That even worsens your book description, because you are not giving a single benefit or outcome of your book. What is the end benefit? What is the end result of using this book? Because people buy things expecting the benefits, expecting the outcomes, not features. So every book has this very basic description. it is large size, it has coloring pages printed on the alternate sides, and it is kid friendly. It has premium glossy or matte finish cover printed in the United States. What is the difference? Your book description should be different. It should talk about the outcome that your potential buyer is expecting to have after purchasing that book. So let's get into the awesome book description that is filled with the benefits and the outcome of the book. So let's go here. I have taken this book's description from this book, Cute Animal Coloring Book for Kids, fun and easy coloring pages in cute style with dogs, cats, sloth, horse, llama, bear, and many more for both boys, girls, kids. The subtitle may be a very spammy one, but it is bringing sales due to cover. And then the excellent book description. You can read here. Explore the super cute animal world through cute animal coloring book for kids. This is the huge outcome or benefit of using this book. It is intriguing or taking attention of your potential buyer. Then it writes on, the coloring book features 50 simple coloring pages of animal kingdom with cute style for children ages 4 to 8. Then it writes, they can spend hours on trying out color combinations. Spending hours, it says that it is going to keep kids busy for hours. So this could be another benefit of this one. I am bolding the benefits. Spend hours on trying out color combination and freely expressing the creativity. This is another benefit. So I want to bold this out. Then not only will this book provide happy, relaxing moments. Another benefit between parents and their children. So keep bolding this because this is between parents and the children. Okay, but it would also help kids better recognize the vast and diverse animal world. Another benefit, it helps kids recognize the vast and diverse animal world. So from big cats in the jungle such as tigers, lions, domestic animals like dogs, cats, chickens, to colorful sea creatures, this book has it all. So let's read on. 50 easy to use, easy to color illustration, 50 different designs for kids to color. Big cats, dog, cat, lion, bear, cow, hippo, donkey, deer, monkey, and so much. Single-sided to prevent bleed through to other pages, and nice large. These are the features. You can say these are the features. They have included a main outcome or benefits of the book that your potential reader or buyer is going to get from using this book. I must say, you can see this is the cute animal coloring book. The cover is very good, priced at $8.99, and let me show you they have A+ content, and their A+ content is amazing. Bestseller rank is 1273. It is making hundreds of copies per day. That is a combination of book cover, title, and A+ content. Book description is also playing very important role because it is including the final outcome or the benefits of using or purchasing this book. So I hope you will understand why this is very basic, because it is talking about features only. It is not listing a single benefit or outcome of the book. Contrarily, it is filled with the benefits toward the top. You need to include benefits toward the top and then list the features. It looks very basic. You can see here it looks very basic. I have bolded this text, didn't try to bold the text except this line and this line. So it looks basic, but it is bringing sales and it is working very fine. So what can you do to create the descriptions like that? You can think of the benefits or the outcomes. You need to think of the benefits or the outcomes of the book and include towards, and start your book description with those benefits or final outcome. You can Google benefits of coloring books for kids and take ideas, or you can read other book descriptions and note down the key benefits, not features. Once you are done with writing the benefits, you can list the book features as Well, the point is your book description should talk about the final outcome or the key benefits that a person is going to have after receiving the book and using the book. So that is all from me today. I hope this will help you writing excellent book description for your books. Thanks for watching and see you in the next. Also watch my next video. It talks about a very simple way to find keywords for your KDP books. Don't miss this. It is really simple.